Hello, welcome back. So I'm on the BitTorrent token now, on the hourly chart, and let's have a look at what we think could possibly happen here. So with the rest of the market, alts have been drained of their life force in order to pump into the Bitcoin, and that Bitcoin has pumped hard. Okay, Bitcoin has gone up. We can safely say that Bitcoin has gone up, and it might remain up for a little while. If we can stay above 10,500 on the Bitcoin, if we sink beneath that, we might be looking for a downwards trend. But if we can stay above 10,500, I think we've got every opportunity to make our way towards 12 or maybe even 13 before we see a significant pullback of around 30 to 40%. It's difficult to say at the moment, but we've been rejected at 11,000 or thereabouts with Bitcoin, but I think that'll break. I think it's probably going to break to the up before we find our way down. And that also means that a lot of the money is, unless we go sideways on Bitcoin for a few days or so, I think a lot of that money is going to stay in Bitcoin in anticipation of making that next leg up. We'll have to wait and see, but let's have a look at BitTorrent token for the moment. So what I'm saying here, just giving it the first look, 'cause I've been away for a few days, we have broken above the 200 EMA, and we broke above there this is a few days ago now. We broke above there, and we bounced up and down in amongst this is our little trend line here, where this is our support and a resistance. It's also a resistance, but we broke above it, and we broke above the first layer of significant resistance, which was rejected at its second layer, the stronger one, which is 0.0014, and we bounced up and down amongst this little range, which is good for me, to be honest with you, because a lot of the alts are these kinds of alts anyway, not the main ones like Ethereum and these guys, the stronger alts. A lot of these guys have been suffering with Bitcoin moving up because their money has been drained out. People are cashing in here, putting their money into the strong ones, and seeing where we go. So actually, to see something like this is actually quite reassuring, because I would have expected it to plummet. Not plummet, but a slow, steady, bearish trend as people take their profits to put into more significant coins. But we didn't, so we bounced amongst this. This turned to a support, which is great. But we just not so long ago broke beneath it, and our final, more significant support would be this 200 EMA, which has given us a nice little bounce. So where are we going to go from here? I expect we're going to be breaking above this resistance very soon, which will then turn to a support, probably almost immediately, to be honest with you, once it's broken. As long as it's broken quite significantly, if we can make our way up to here as a new resistance level and find a bounce, it'd be very nice to see us bounce back down to this level again, and create that upwards trend from here, signifying that this is now once again a support. Now there may be, just around the corner, there may be an alt season, a very small perhaps alt season for these kind of coins picking up, some benefiting more than others, and I think one of the coins which would benefit significantly would be BitTorrent token. I think this coin's got quite a way to go, before. Well, I think this area here, or just maybe a little lower, around about here, I'll say, around about here. So that, for those who can't see, that would be around 0.0011. That would be a nice sort of bottom level, I think, for us with this coin. I'd be very surprised if we see ourselves any lower than 0.0010 ever again. So this area here could be considered a nice level to buy in anticipation for this move up. And when the move comes, I should say, and this area gets broken, and then this 0.0014 gets broken, that's when we will see moves back up here again, and probably might not be as fast as that, but it won't be far off. I think if this 0.0014 can be broken and then turn to a support, that would be the equivalent, I believe, of when Bitcoin broke 6,000. That will be our level there, and we can start to move above there, and this will be a strong base which won't get broken again, maybe ever again. Anyway, I'm not your financial advisor, so obviously do your own research. I'm just one of many people doing these sort of things. I would definitely urge you to do your own technical analysis, make your opinions based on your own thoughts rather than anyone else's, especially mine. But anyway, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. I appreciate you watching these videos. So pop your notifications on if you want daily updates, because I do make the videos daily. Take it easy. Thanks. Goodbye.